Changing your password on Grubhub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visit the Grubhub website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your current login credentials to access your Grubhub account. If you're already logged in, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, you can find this option by tapping on your profile icon. On the website, look for your account name or icon in the upper right corner. Step 4. Select Change Password. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or Password. Click or tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets Grubhub's security requirements. Save the changes once you have entered the new password. After completing these steps, your Grubhub password will be successfully changed. Remember to use your new password the next time you log in.